The National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a tornado warning for Cherokee County in northwest Iowa until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Washta, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Washta. Take cover now. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Emergency Management confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Quimby around 7:30 p.m. CDT, Cherokee around 7:45 p.m. CDT, Aurelia around 7:50 p.m. CDT. Precautionary/preparedness actions: heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.